Good morning. Can I have your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeff Guthrie.
Fourteen B District Court is now in session. This is Magistrate Hilary Braley presiding. Now calling case number 16W006144A and B. This is the Township of Ypsilanti versus Jeffrey Guthrie. Appearances for the record, please.
Stephanie Cannon with the Washington Public Defender's Office on behalf of Mr. Guthrie.
Okay. And Mr. Guthrie, can you please state your name?
Jeffrey Guthrie.
Thank you very much. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. What I have is a citation that charges that on or about July 14th of 2016, you did operate a motor vehicle or have in your motor vehicle on Bryn Mawr Lane at or near Grove Road, drug paraphernalia and open intoxicants. So those are misdemeanor charges, each of which has a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail, a $500 fine with court costs, or both. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have a chance to review an advice of rights form this morning?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions about your rights?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. And Attorney Cannon, do you wish to address bond?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, he will stand mute as to the charges. And as for bond, we are asking for a personal recognizance bond. And speaking to my client this morning, he let me know that during the year of 2016, he had a substantial drug addiction. He is, I believe, 8 years sober. His life has changed a great deal. When I asked him about these events, he really did not remember them. And he blamed that on his drug of choice. But he said that he is a very different person. He has a car now. He has a full-time job. He is stable. He is no longer using. He's very proud of his sobriety. He is more than willing to take care of this, and he has assured me, and he will assure the court, that if he is released on PR bond, he will be here for every court appearance, and he will handle this matter as quickly as possible.
Okay. Thank you. And congratulations on your sobriety.
Thank you.
At this time, the court will set a pretrial conference date of May 1st. That will be at 9 a.m. over Zoom before Judge Washington. The court will set bond with the following conditions. You are not to use or possess alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. Given the nature of the charge, you are going to be ordered to community corrections. So you are to report there within 24 hours of your release for drug and alcohol testing. You will need $12 and a photo ID. You are not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. You are not to engage in any sort of criminal activity whatsoever. And you are to appear for any and all dates set for you by the court. So that includes the May 1st court date. It also includes going to community corrections. So if you violate any of these bond conditions or fail to appear for your next court date, then a bench warrant could issue for your arrest.
Is community corrections open on the weekends? So if I got out, say you said I had to be there within 24 hours.
Okay. So if you get out today, I believe they're open until 4:30. They are open some Saturdays, but I don't know if they're open this Saturday. So what I will do then is say, if you can get there by the end of the day today, otherwise by the end of the day Monday.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any other questions about the conditions?
That was it.
Okay. Then the court will set a personal recognizance bond in this matter.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you are welcome. And if there's nothing further, Attorney Cannon?
Your Honor, simply, I know he does not live here. If you would, give the defense's, a call Monday so we could talk about alternatives that you may have, okay? But you need to call us. And we're listed, the Washington Public Defender's Office, okay?
Yes.
Thank you. That's it, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, then you know you're to call the Washtenaw County Public Defender's Office. You've got your next court date, which is May 1st. You should get paperwork upon leaving the jail, but if you forget or if anything happens as far as the paperwork goes, call the Public Defender's Office. You can also call the 14B District Court.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. Then if you don't have anything else, then at this time you're free to stand up and tell the jail that you are finished.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Have to lay down.
Yes, we're all set. Thank you.
Good morning. I'll be with you in just a moment. Are you David Brown?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Okay. Now calling case number 23T00303. This is Ypsilanti Township versus David Edward Brown. Can I have appearances for the record, please?
Stephanie Cannon.
Brown.
Stephanie Cannon, with the Public Defender's Office on behalf of Mr. Brown.
So today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. What I am seeing is that a bench warrant issued because you failed to appear for a prior court date. It looks like you were set for a show cause hearing and a pre-trial. Are you currently staying at the Delana Center?
No. I just want to slaughter everybody in the place. I just get my mail there.
Okay. Attorney Cannon.
Thank you, Your Honor. In this matter, it is a trespass. My client does recognize that he is homeless, but he stays in the area. He is homeless, which is why he uses the Delana Center as an address. He is asking for a PR bond as it relates to this matter. I do know that he has a case in and I'm sorry, give me 1 second, Your Honor. I believe it was 15th District Court where he received a bond for $100, cash bond for $100. Here we're asking for a PR bond. However, if the court is not inclined to do so because of his previous failure to appear, we are asking for a low cash bond. He did let me know that he does not have a job, so he won't be able to pay any of this. So any bond associated or placed on him will keep him in jail. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Attorney Cannon. So at this time, the court is going to set a pretrial conference date of April 10th. That will be at 9 a.m. over Zoom before Judge Washington. And at this time, the court is going to keep the bond set at $1,500. That's cash surety, 10% is allowed. And this is due in large part to the multiple failures to appear.
Did you say 15,000, Your Honor?
No, 1,500. $1,500. Yes. And as I said, 10% is allowed on that.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, then Attorney Cannon, if you have nothing else, and Mr. Brown, if you don't have any questions for the court, then this hearing is concluded. You are free to stand up and tell the jail that you are finished.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.